I work at an international consulting firm called Booz Allen Hamilton, and I'm an instructional designer on Booz Allen's organization and strategy learning team. I guess the question is, when don't I use ISD and the stuff that I've learned in the program on my job? I use it every day, and I've used it over the last couple of years designing courses. The entire ADDIE process is something that I'm very familiar with and that I got a good foundation of when I was here in the program. I've done everything from analysis, design, development, all the way through implementation, delivering courses, which I've had a chance to do as well, and evaluation through piloting programs, so formative evaluation. In addition, the current issues that I was able to get a real solid footing in with regard to distance learning, with regard to related disciplines like change management, organizational development, knowledge management, all of those issues I've also been able to integrate into the coursework that I design. I'm one of those folks that decided later in life to make a career change, and so I'm not very different than a lot of the folks that are in our program. And I don't think that if I didn't have my ISD degree, my master's that I got through the program, I don't think I would have been as competitive as I would have been otherwise. The best thing about the program was the instructors, the staff, and the professors. They understand what it's like to be an adult learner. They're flexible. They make accommodations when you need to. And in my particular situation, I worked the Katrina disaster. And if it wasn't for Greg Williams and Charisse and Ginny Story, I don't know how I would have gotten through. You know, I got behind almost a year, and they were really able to help me figure out how to catch up and how to finish. I'd say do it. The opportunities in this market are tremendous. Because we're in the Washington, D.C. market, and maybe because I work for a consulting firm that does a lot of government work, I know that the standard that an organization like Booz Allen Hamilton sets is to hire folks that have some kind of certification in instructional systems design. And, you know, I was able to get that here. I'm really glad that I did. My professional portfolio started with the portfolio that I put together here at UMBC as a way to help my marketing efforts when I was trying to find work in the field. So, in fact, I used that particular portfolio as a reference for the current work that I do. But with regard to the current work that I do, I work with Department of Homeland Security, and I currently design courses for the emergency management field. And I mean, there's nothing that I am not comfortable doing. I feel really prepared, or coming out of the program, I was really prepared to just, you know, handle anything that they threw at me. One of the things that I learned at UMBC that was really important that I would like to share with anybody that's considering becoming a part of the program or being in the program is the importance of networking with your classmates, keeping in touch with them, recognizing that after you leave UMBC that there are so many opportunities to stay involved with the program that benefit both you and the folks that helped you get through. So I'd say those are a couple of like parting thoughts, and the importance of belonging to your industry association. That was a tremendous benefit to me, and I know that the UMBC program makes an effort to encourage that participation in associations. You need it for when you're a student, when you're trying to pursue a career, and then after you actually do land a position, it really helps to maintain your professional development, and you do need to do that when you're practicing ISD. I'm just really glad that I went through the program, and I'm proud to be an alumni of UMBC.